Alright, today on Philbilly Moonshine, we're going to make sweet tea wine. This was requested by Don Seward. Sorry if I butchered your name, let me know and I'll correct it. First thing you want to do is bring about a half gallon of water to a rolling boil. Turn it off. You want to steep you about 10 small tea bags. Steep them about 3 to 5 minutes. When you're done steeping, we'll add the sugar. Alright, after you let your tea bags steep for about 3 to 5 minutes, you can see how dark the water is. I'm using black tea. You can use brown. You might could use green. So, then we're going to make it a little stronger than we would if we was making it for iced tea. That's why we use so many tea bags. And we're going to add 3 cups of sugar. You're going to dissolve it in here. Once that's good and dissolved, then we'll go ahead and put it in our gallon jug. Add our lemons and add our yeast. Alright, once your tea's cooled down and you moved it to a jug, and leave plenty of space because we're going to add in 2 whole lemons cut up. And before we did this, we went ahead and activated our yeast. We got all our lemons in there. Put our cap on. Now we wait.
Alright, we're going to bottle this
Sweet tea wine.
oh, sweet tea. I thought this was apple. We're going to bottle this sweet tea wine Big Easy made. Hope it don't taste like lemons because I don't like lemon in my sweet tea.
It's going to taste like lemons. I like lemons in my sweet tea.
We're going to have to make one without it. Over here behind me. Sweet tea wine. We had to cut a hole in the side of the bottle so the siphon would fit in there. You could pour it if you don't have a siphon. Just try and leave all the stuff in the bottom. If this don't turn out delicious, Big Easy's got to drink a whole bottle of peanut butter wine all to himself.
I don't think there's a whole bottle of that peanut butter wine left.
Yeah, I'd be drinking that shit. Well, then he's got to drink a whole bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce wine.
It'll give you heartburn thinking about that.
Yeah, we'll give you heartburn, but it's good. You use a bunch of tea in this?
Yeah, I use like 8 10 tea bags, 3 cups of sugar,
Damn, son.
2 lemons.
It's gonna be sweet. That's it. That's all she wrote.
All right, cool.
You going? I'm gonna try this sweet tea wine with lemon. It's not bad. I don't like lemon in my tea though, so that's my thing. Like, you make this without lemon, it's really strong. It's like almost liquor. I mean, that's gotta be up there as far as wine goes. You can taste the alcohol hardcore. Just don't like the lemon in my tea. It's not bad. It's real lemony.
Real strong lemony.
Real strong lemony snickets.
That's good though. I really like lemon in my tea. If I did it again, I'd probably use 1 lemon instead of 2.
I'd water it down with some sweet
It's
tea.
strong.
It's fucking strong
It
as shit.
is strong. I'm gonna drink a whole bottle.
All right, now that I think of it, this smells like lemon pledge, but it tastes like twisted tea with lemon in it. Twisted tea, lemon. That's what it reminds me of. Like, yo, mama.